So how are you seeing the current market like going at the moment? So where is it trending?
Yeah, it's a good question. Obviously, again, it's I'm based in Victoria, Melbourne. And obviously, it's a big market, but in simple terms, obviously we've had a phenomenal run through COVID. A phenomenal amount of capital growth.
Yeah,
we're obviously seeing some pullback in that regard. It's really a two-tiered market. So what I mean by that is the properties that are ready to go, that are being renovated, that are presenting very well, are still in demand. But then the ones that are maybe not quite ticking the boxes are staying around a bit more. So
yeah,
I think it's a great opportunity if you're looking to enter the market, and for example, you're better off buying now than you were 12 months ago, because I think it's fascinating, and the ex-physio in me is the psychology behind the people in the market. It's like people wait for that seagull chip moment and they fight over it, and then once all of a sudden they can get the pick of the bunch, those A-grade properties that are they sort of it's hard to go against the grain, right? So I think the market at the moment, it's patchier, clearance rates and stocks lower, so there's opportunity, but again, it's still not easy to buy a good property, because as I said, there's not a lot of it. People don't give it away. I'm not really seeing any fire sales at the moment, Al. So yeah, it's a different market in different price pockets. There's obviously probably more nervous in the first time home buyer sort of area, because they haven't seen interest rates for a dozen years. So there's just that little bit of uncertainty. There's a lot of news media coverage. There's a lot of just
a lot of fear.
And fear sells, doesn't it, Al? Fear sells. So they're not going to print in the paper that everything's hunky-dory. It's sort of status quo. It's sort of either, it's the market's rising at this rate or it's Armageddon. So that's where we are.
Okay. Yeah, because at the moment it seems like it's more of a buyer's market. So it's about finding the right property, finding the right house for your requirements, isn't it? To the best possible price you can get.
100%, yeah, much more towards buyer. And saying that, stock's still quite tight, but yeah, it definitely is more favourable than it has been, which is positive for people who want to, because ultimately property is a long-term game and it's a long-term vehicle for wealth creation, or if it's to live in. A lot of the commentary as well is very short-term focused, and it's hard to look at it that way, right? Because even not all houses sell every month or every. So there's a lot of that short-term focus, which again, just a lot of noise really out there at the moment. So.
Okay. So do you come across a lot of development sites, like sites with development potentials like that?
100%, Alice. Obviously, depending on what your client's looking for, but yeah, there is definitely those sort of properties and those sort of things out there. I think if you're open to a bit of work, or if you're that there's probably even more of those in the off-market sort of space as well. So yes, there is opportunities out there for that. So yeah, 100%. I think it's a great opportunity if you are looking for land, and the prices have come back, and you're buying it locking it in at a cheaper rate, so that you can do what you need to do going forward.
Excellent. Yeah.